Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another data entry shortcut. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Give a thumbs up to this video and also hit the notification button so you can be notified of any new videos that I've added to the channel. Data entry shortcuts. Now, again, this applies if you have a list and over here it's a list of names. Now, and you want to repeat some entries that has already been um, done on top. For example, Unis. So all you need to do is just key in unique number of letters. For example, Unis. There's only one Unis that appears in the entire list. So if I just type an E, as you can see, the name Unis will appear. So I don't have to type in EUNICE as the name Unis only appear once. So the letter E will do. And all I need to do is just press the enter key and that's it. I've basically got Unis into my list again. Now, but it's a little bit trickier if you have something like George and Georgia because we have one, two, three, four, five letters that are similar in George and Georgia. So what you need to do is you need to type the number of letters until you reach a unique combination. Like for example, if you want Georgia, I would have to type in GEORGI and Georgia will appear. So it will not appear when I just type the letter G because there's another name similar to Georgia which is George and I press enter. Now if you find that rather tedious, then you can use the pick from list. For example, right click over here and pick from drop down list. So over here it's basically just a point and a click instead of typing. So that's it, another data entry shortcut that you can use for your convenience when you try to develop or do data entry for a list.